Good morning, everyone. It's Sonia here. How are you today? It is Thankful Thursday. And on Thankful Thursday, I love to share with you a little bit about gratitude and how it makes a difference in your day-to-day life. So before we go too far, my coffee cup of choice is my to-go cup. I had an appointment today, and I am actually happy, grateful, and thankful for this coffee cup because I get to honor my core values and my truths when I get to bring my favorite coffee or tea or water with me wherever I go, and then I don't have to feel guilty about not enjoying what I spend money on. That's one of the reasons why I don't like to go out for coffees or teas for the drive-thrus. Is I really don't enjoy it as much as I do when I make it myself or make it from home. So that's one thing, one simple thing, your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, the cup that it's in, to be super happy, grateful, and thankful for. Think of all of the ways it enhances your life. Think of the people that produced it. Think of the packaging. There's so much we can talk and think about with that. But I'm actually going to go somewhere else today. So in this book that I wrote, Your Story Matters, I wrote this last year. It became an international bestseller. And you can see I've got some tags on here. We're going to talk about the Ho'oponopono prayer. And I'm sure I butchered it and said it wrong. But if anybody has the book, it is on page 17. And it is actually a take-inspired action element. So what this prayer means is it's called Ho'oponopono. And again, I don't know if you can see it there. But it's a Hawaiian message of love. And it's a meditation of sorts, but what it does, it's a process of letting go of toxic energies within you to allow the impact of divine thoughts, words, deeds, and actions. So it's essentially about freedom, complete freedom from the past. So why this falls into gratitude is because you can't grow as a person and stay where you are. You can't be still struggling with your problems of the past as you grow as a person. You need to forgive yourself. You need to move on. So part of the Ho'oponopono prayer is called, it says, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. And here's the thing, you actually say it to yourself in the mirror. So I did a whole blog post on this. The blog post is here in this book, but it's a 5-minute little meditation that you do, and you sit and you just say those words and think about how they feel and the impact. Because at the end of the day, what you're doing here, welcome back for a brief part 2. What I started to say is what you're doing here by going through this Ho'oponopono prayer, not really prayer, but it's like healing, means you're beginning the forgiveness and the healing process, which the next step leads to gratitude. And having gratitude in your life is so huge. Having gratitude means grace. Having gratitude means growth. Thank you so much for sharing this today. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this, go ahead and like it, comment, share this, and follow me for more of the mantras that I say during the week and the Monday to Friday inspiration.